How to study effectively. In our experience, the higher the level of study, the more important does practice become. Lesson styles can vary. We would like to be able to offer specific sessions that run through example and past questions step by step, in full, as well as offering feedback and marking of questions to students who have attempted questions themselves. Firstly, we will focus on the problems each individual student has, resolving them and putting the solution into practice. We will go over common mistakes and how to avoid them, in order to achieve higher marks in the exams. Finally, to encourage learning, we believe it is essential for a student to be interested in what they are studying, and that will be my main aim as a tutor.
Hi, my name is Ansaji and I'm from Wales, and I'm here to talk about Firstring Global Online Tuition. Firstring holds the best teachers all around the world to help you, and I joined Firstring to improve my grades, mainly in math, because obviously math is really difficult and hard, and I find it really complicated. So my friends recommended me to join Firstring Global, and I tried it, and guess what? It's actually pretty good. And now I'm really improving my grades, and I'm the top bands right now, and I really thank Firstring to giving me this opportunity. So right now I'm recommending you guys to join Firstring as well, only if you want to improve in your grades. So check out the Firstring website right now and reach for the heights. Bye!
Hello, my name is Boaz Paul and I live in Liverpool. I'm now in year 6 and I have joined Firstring recently for an grammar school exam preparation. All the teachers in Firstring are super kind and they are very helpful. They will help you to clear all your doubts, and I strongly recommend Firstring Global Online Tuition to any student. And if you need help in any subjects in school, Firstring Global Online Tuition should be your #1 choice. Bye. Thank you.
Which it helped me with is to understand that in the question itself there are the key words in which you have to use in the answer. So basically, if the question is like, what is photosynthesis, you have to write in full sentences photosynthesis is, and then what photosynthesis is. So this was a great leap for me, and basically I'm so happy that I managed to do this. Not only this, my time management skills were poor before I joined Firstring.